Today we're diving into the features of the SHA CERLIN queen-size velvet bed frame, a stunning addition to any bedroom with its modern wingback headboard upholstered in soft velvet, adding a touch of glamour to your home decor. This bed frame is not only stylish but also incredibly sturdy and durable, thanks to its firm slats and metal central support beams, boasting a weight capacity of up to 800 pounds. With an 8-inch under bed space, it offers convenient storage options or a cozy hideaway for your family members. Say goodbye to the need for a box spring, as this bed frame comes with durable wooden slats designed to support and extend the life of your mattress, with a recommended thickness of 8 to 12 inches. The best part? Assembly is a breeze, with all parts and tools smartly packed into one box, allowing you to set up the platform bed in under an hour. Whether you're looking to upgrade your bedroom aesthetics or enhance your sleeping experience, this bed frame is designed to meet your needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.